decent.
No, sir.
Funny woman, man.
If I buy a decent, they look depressed, no blood.
Right. Unstoppable, you sound like handicap. You sound like a deformed.
Yeah, depressed.
And the blood clot.
Yo, we'll take time with the artist, man. We'll come up here, come say what
Artie.
they say.
Look at Artie, are you me?
Artie, question.
Artie.
Them did really want the girl leave from so
Artie.
far and then just throwing the
Artie.
street and nobody not showing a sympathy.
That's what they wanted, and that's not right.
No sympathy shows, but I'm saying so she hang herself on one corner on it. So them would have
Artie. Artie.
all them depend money. If the bank lock down right now, them not have no money. And
Artie,
Jaydenn
are you
money
me?
and people money.
Fuck me an area, pop. The white
Be
man.
honest. Look, be honest. Look on this woman to Ashley. This woman that look like him a workout. Ashley no need no. Artie, me see a nice piece of girl. Me see him in a real life. Me and him there, so a nice piece of girl.
Ashley's beautiful.
Oh, you mean?
Nobody never says she ugly. She don't ugly.
I don't need your box. Him, come up here, try about Ray. Come out time and box, brother.
I want to know something. What did Jaydenn people feel about Pops telling her to use the money for our kids and don't give? Do you agree with it? Do you feel
Yes.
What do you mean?
Yes, we agree.
you every time?
I don't really feel. I don't feel like that is right
People, them agree. What do you mean? They must agree.
because you know what? If they did good, if they were good like from before. Because my understanding about it is, it's just like they had been communicating before. So why you never want hold on the money before? I just feel like it's vindictive. Like you're just taking it just because. It's not because you really want it. Because if Jaydenn say, okay, he's coming back to you, you're not gonna want to give it. You're not gonna want to take it. You're gonna want to give it to him. So I don't feel like she's supposed to hold it. It's not fear. Fear is fear.
Who want to find out the money?
One of them work for it.
You are talking about you have that money there right now.
Take your share, Ashley. Go on with the money. Look how you attack on that criminal. On the thief like a dog. Ashley, take the money. You never thief no money from nobody. One Ashley badness.
Ashley, I hear me.
Where she go?
No found no thief like a puss and man now go no nothing. Girl, if you get it,
Even say thief like a puss, what do you mean? What's fear is fear and what's right is right.
listen to me, that can't shake Jaydenn. Ashley, all him to make back the money. The girl, him have the girl locked down to all that. And the girl pension gift. Take a pension and run, girl. Take a pension and run, Ashley. You can't take out her pocket. Nobody not perfect. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. One of them go through something. One of them go through something. Nobody is perfect. No, no way I chat man beating like one of man ding dong. No way I chat one man ding dong.
It's no fucking money.
No way I chat a man ding dong.
It's 3 Gucci shoes.
Why?
It's about 3 Gucci shoes. So I understand what the problem.
No for one man ding dong. Let's have an Ashley shirt. One Ashley badness.
You can't mute them badness.
That's why not go on back the
Alright. Let me mute now. Run through Rika, representing somebody from the Blinganeers. Let me hear the Blinganeers representing.
Listen to me. Good evening. Hope everyone having a blessed Sunday. I am the one who tell Ashley over Bling Alive with how much 1,000 people do not give up the money.
That is it.
And not for woman when the box come talk about she must give money, moving a bomb crack.
That's it.
Never give no money. Ashley, do not give Jaydenn any money. You fly come here and you do the most disrespect.
Of course.
Take the money and go on,
no money.
Woman strength, me say.
I'm first tell
I'm
her
not
that.
take up the woman from a
money.
Is that the money, Pops?
No, I'm just showing her 3,000 US, bro.
Don't give no money. No
but
money.
Artie, you wanna say? Artie, Ashley have the money still on him. He have the money on him paper. But he nah do them something there. But you see the woman that we are bring them down. This a woman.
Don't look on them.
This a woman that
Don't look
need help
on them.
himself.
Then too fucking biased. Then too biased. Then when the minor girl didn't go do herself something, she feel still lonely and cry by herself. Everybody deserves. None of them. Let me say this here. The two female them wanna come one like say Ashley worse than nobody. The two female them was searching for love. The two female them are search for love.
The girl is
The two female them are search for love. Just like
your mother Ashley, woman.
the next female was searching for love as well. You are too unfair. You are too unfair. And now look at the other females.
We all seen it before. Like, oh, I forgot, oh, she throw things in the look boy face.
So, and what Jaydenn doing? What Jaydenn doing? Jaydenn innocent? Jaydenn fucking innocent? Jaydenn is a narcissist. Jaydenn is a lie.
What
I not say? What Jaydenn do to her? What Jaydenn do to her? What Jaydenn did to her? Is Jaydenn innocent? It was all a show. They put on a show to make money. Them put on a show to make money. So what I say?
That part was not a prank.
Yes, they on the mind. They say R.I.P. over Ashley picture about the blood of Jesus. God send an angel for her. On the back up of Ashley because she not trouble. No.
Come like, not even see it. Exactly.
Yo, alright, you take out Barbie to box somebody.
Some of them bitter towards other females. Some of them bitter towards other. Enough of them a man being down.
If I didn't
Enough of them see a chat against Ashley. Ashley is better than them. Enough of them have fought good money for them to sleep in the night time. Enough of them.
I would never give up the money as a woman.
Why should she give up the money?
Because you don't want to allow to live pretty girl alive. It not go so. Me not have nothing bad to say about the two females them. On the two bias. Leave the girl just like how.
Yo, I want Pops YG. No
give me a little time. Give me a little time. Let me say something to you. Let me say something to you.
Come on, that box. I'm going to look at somebody else.
You know what I know? Papa. Let me say something will make sense.
She got buy some clothes with the money. Until a Barbie girl suck
something will make sense. Alright, we'll make a reason. Make a reason.
Go back Barbie IDP down for the dog. You got one some clothes, Mario. Then you got one some clothes.
Barbie is a young nation. Come down.
Barbie go suck out the mother. One pass of YG. No boy, me dad. No boy. Hey, girl, come on, my girl. Go suck out the mother. Big girl. Come on, my box. They must stink. Stink more, girl. Black them out. They must stink. Shit more, girl.
Barbie, calm
Shit
down.
more, girl. Tapping nice. I like your
No, no, calm down and make a reason. What I know?
Shit more, girl. I want a YG.
Hold on, no.
Hey, I can't see you use a feed her, girl. Come out that box, girl. That money, hey, girl. I'm coming straight out, girl. You have to vote on you. Suck your mother. Come on, box.
Game head, hold on the papa. Let me just say something. Barbie, calm down.
Alright, talk, baby.
Hold on, game head. Barbie, calm down. We can't reason out. Well, I know. I want to hear this. Alright, we are going to talk about Ashley. And we are going to talk about Fabi. I'm not against Fabi. I'm not against Ashley.
I'm not against Ashley.
Alright, listen this. Alright, don't listen this. I'm not going to reason and be fair about this. Ashley. Ashley
spend money up.
Well on the Barbie baby. Well on now. Well on. Cause we don't know each other. We don't have to disrespect each other. Cause we don't know nothing about nobody. We just you know whatever.
Just the bottom man there.
Listen, I get a bad man, man. Yes, a bad man. Ashley too.
Jesus. Come on, man. Let me say something like.
Nobody I read, but me the lady talk, no man, me talk and go through.
Let me talk and come down. Me not come to see. Me can say something real quick.
Alright, so what you say, baby?
Alright, before everybody start back me, just listen to me and say clearly, right? Ashley, if you have 4,000 for Jaydenn, if you need some money, take some money out of the 4,000 and give him the rest if you don't want to give him all of it. Don't take Jaydenn money.
You not forget none. None should not give back.
Listen to me. You see money make people do some bumbleclad things where them never think
this.
That's fine. They both work hard to make that money. They both work hard.
Listen to me. Fear is fear. If she wants some money, take some money out of the 4 grand. And give back the boy.
Not the money they can't share.
Why she need to change? Why should share the money? Hell no.
Yo,
No.
Pops get Ashley more than 4,000. Hey, girl, come out that box to girl. Hey, girl, come out that box to insect.
Why should she share the money? Your mad?
Hey, girl, come on to that box, girl. I'm insane, girl. Hey, girl.
Abuse her.
Ashley more than 4,000 US, girl. Come on to that box. Bitch, hey, girl, come on.
Tell Ashley for yesterday, no give Jaydenn $1. That's a
Alright, I'm not hearing me. I say me can't talk now, guys. You just know when me talk me and say no, please.
Jaydenn is a real local man.
Barbie, Barbie, calm down, man. Barbie.
Hey, girl, come on to that box, girl. I'm fine. We're going to come on TikTok, girl.
Yeah, man.
Jaydenn is a real Batman.
One pass. Hey, one pass. Hey, one YG and a O. Hey, girl, Barbie, look out your mother.
Let me talk now. Give me
one mother, maybe if you have one mother, you would not talk to.
Alright, talk.
Calm down, Barbie. Alright, let me see what me I say. Just please, let me just say this and then we can talk. Alright, me could look funny the way here. The both ladies, alright, me could say then Ashley lost and you know she needs some love. Remember, you know, the next female was in the same and even worse position. We sit on this internet and we watch her go through so much, and this is why she end up where she end up, because she was lost and looking for love. It happens that she reached over Jaydenn and you know Jaydenn have her underneath your wing. We watch her song and cry over one next man. You understand? It's something that make it look like say Ashley is this type of smarty way. Oh, Ashley's the worst. Come on, no. That girl sit over her life, open up her crutches, and then enough of when we see her defend her right now, when you used to carry her down.
Okay, so he
with Jaydenn.
Yeah, man, big pussy girl in Barbie.
She's so with Jaydenn and she got through so much.
Okay.
She got through so much.
We're not going to sign them mother look at nano blood clot.
She got through so much in her little corner. Because guess what? Understand when man, you see as some man, them are narcissists and they know how to manipulate people when they know say a person love them. And I worry for uno have sisters and brothers where even still I go through the situation where man take them like a man ding dong. And honestly, them can't find themselves. It's just a case that
Barbie that.
Get out of it. Reason with understanding and putting yourself in other people's shoes.
Barbie that.
Enough for uno when time when you're in teenager, uno have look a boyfriend, wanna run back, wanna love, wanna cry for, wanna say it over and then go back again, and wanna talk back to them.
Listen, all I'm saying is she's wrong.
Wrong for what?
If something is not yours, right?
Wrong for what? You're gonna like it to get a man pocket.
What do you mean?
Auntie, if you
put together,
should go in a relationship together. She
take the money and flip,
and no say
take the money and flip, Ashley. Ashley, take the money and flip, me girl.
She did all the
no money and flip. One Ashley body
thing. Enough of them girls, they know them position and then them come up and go next to them or somebody.
Listen, me not calling that man a go no sweet, not no sweetie.
She was the man gift her from
Let
before.
the man, let the girl alone. You tell them decide that.
I don't know if
makes no sense.
But Pops the General state that the money should go back to her and you must not get the money. I don't know if you hear Jaydenn, so I give you it live. Continue.
Let me tell you something, man. You make it look like Ashley are the worst thing. Me see people do worse than this pan this happier. You not understand when somebody broken and lost. And let me tell you something. Not for used to for people to be nice to and have good friends come down the corner and take you up and say, listen me I brush you off and this what is and this is what. Listen me, if Ashley and Pops YG, just like how Jaydenn, you didn't have him as a skull dog and now you put him on a pedestal to say, alright then yeah, and you and Fabi now. So what if Ashley, listen me, stop it nice. What if Ashley and YG said them are gonna be friends and then later on them say, alright, them like the vibes and we're gonna work with it. That not to be none of uno. That not to be none of because Pops and YG, Pops and Jaydenn never class no school, no road down no school. Them just an internet friend, you know where? All we get alone.
Take her up. Nobody would know about her. Nobody would know about her.
You're hurt. You're hurt. You're hurt. You're lucky. I want to fuck she get. I want to fuck she get. Make she take her money. I don't her pay. I want to fuck she get. Make she take her pay. Take her pay, girl, and run.
Well, you get fucked from before. I never get fucked from before. I know you see the man with other woman. You want to take the girl.
So,
Barbie want 2 grand, die 4 grand. Barbie, come on, tell them, Barbie.
So,
you want 2 grand?
So,
Barbie want 2,000, die 4,000 US. Lord God.
So, At least she get something.
Barbie,
No for not get bulla. No for not get bulla.
Hey, girl, Papa.
No for not get red.
Hey, girl, Papa spend more
At
food.
least
Hey,
she
girl,
get
top
food.
nine.
Una mind the man not gonna know. At least she get.
Yeah, be a fear do.
At least she
Yeah, be a
get.
fear it, nothing, girl.
At least she get something.
Barbie, you have a vendetta against Ashley, man. What happened?
Bad.
It's not a vendetta.
Yeah, man, man, you want big stinking girl, man.
She not even set.
Hey, girl, come on, for that, no bitch. Hey, girl, I want money. Hey, girl, I want $2,000 US.
You're crazy.
Hey, girl, hey, girl, make me $2,000 US, girl, like a bro.
My sister una against her.
Yeah, man, a big stinking girl named Barbie, man, you against the girl.
So come tell me if you suck my mother. Come, right now, me still have suck my mother.
No, we're not busy with that. We're not busy about that. We're not busy about that.
That me say,
It's a one-on-one
We're not
chat.
care about that.
Me not get some one-on-one chat. Say, where this we now? No way. We only can ask you man chat.
Right, that's so.
You can't say something. You can't say
Go
something, please.
ahead, hon.
All right, you know what I feel. You see, at the end of the day, as what the girls say, we come up early. I say money make people do crazy stuff. I understand. Me not like me as a woman, but I take it, you know. Cause me know all my badness coming, so me would take it at the end of the day. But me tell you, we can get here. We are talking. We go tell him so if he take it and doing this boy do our evil stuff. And we see a mother go sit on our sorry.
Ashley can defend herself. You can't say that.
Yes, we know
Ashley can defend herself.
We know she can defend herself. You know, we have to think more than
Oh, I want bad mind, girl. The girl named Barbie.
Yeah,
Barbie, dad. I want bad mind, girl. You bad man, fuck.